Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get free pins in Brawl Stars. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to get free pins in Brawl Stars, the best thing that you can do is to join this Discord server called Brawl Monkey Kingdom. I'll leave you the invitation link in the description down below. And once you join the server, what you're gonna need to do is to take a look at the left hand side of your screen and look for this section named free stuff and click on it. And what you're gonna find here is a bunch of giveaways that are posted into the server, and there is actually a quite good amount of free pins that you can claim. Now, some of these pins are expired, of course, so to see which are still working, you will have to scroll up here. For example, the Ray Mortis pin is expired, while we have the White Sprite pin still active, and so is the Clown pin alongside with the Skull Cartoon pin and some others, like the Godzilla Egg pin. Now, as you can see here, I will click onto the relevant link so I can claim this pin, and once I click, it will open up the Brawl Stars website and the option to claim this reward. And of course, make sure that you do this on your mobile device that you're playing the game with, so it will open the Brawl Stars game and give you the reward. So that's it, that's how to get free pins in Brawl Stars. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.